Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to act now. Check that your Windows 11 build supports Internet Explorer mode by opening Settings System About. Once done, launch Microsoft Edge and sign in so favorites carry over. Next, type edge//settings/default browser into the address bar and enable the Allow Sites to Overloaded in Internet Explorer mode option. This step lets Edge present legacy pages using IE rendering engine, which preserves old web app behavior without installing a separate browser. You'll now configure which sites use Internet Explorer mode. Open Edge//settings/default browser and click Add under Internet Explorer mode pages, then enter the URL and save. If you manage several machines, use group policy or the registry to push the same list centrally. This ensures consistency across users. Make sure to set the open sites in Internet Explorer mode behavior as required and restart Edge so the changes take effect. This approach preserves legacy features while keeping Edge as the primary browser. Finish by testing. Navigate to a legacy site, open the Edge menu, and choose Reload in Internet Explorer mode. You should see the IE icon in the address bar. If rendering fails, clear the browser cache and restart Edge. Make sure your policies did not block IE mode. If the option is missing, verify your Windows build and Edge version, then update both. If problems persist, check group policy or consult your IT administrator. Often an enforced policy or outdated build blocks Internet Explorer mode.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.